7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, hello, my name is Kaylee Rodriguez. My message is to always trust your gut, listen to yourself and your soul, and no matter what other outside opinions are, just always follow what's within yourself. Period.
What they're doing is they go through every gummy and make sure it's perfect. We don't have an imperfect gummy to leave this place.
These three things: tender, love, and care. Those three things will allow you to approach anybody in any condition and get the warmth of their spirit.
Hi guys, Ron McCormick here in Dallas, Texas. My message would be, in life I've learned is everything we've learned, you need to question. It's not all what it seems. And what you put out there, the energy, whether it be positive or negative, know that that's what's gonna come back at you tenfold. So be a good person, good things happen to you. Bad person, bad things. It's just how the universe works. So do good things and be a good person and have a great life. Woo!
Shine your light so others may see and the world will be a brighter place wherever you'll be. Thanks for watching.